So it's day number 3. Trisha's packing up the camera. We're getting ready to go get some breakfast, and then we're gonna get off the boat. We're here at Freeport today. Not quite sure what there is to do. We are gonna go ahead and shop for a little bit, and then probably gonna hang out on the boat a lot. Heard there's not quite much to do here, so we'll check it out and see. So here we are, just got off the boat after breakfast. Here at Freeport. I just need to grab a drink real quick. It's right over here. Oh. There it is! Here it is. Just gonna walk around and shop a little bit right now. Kind of see what's out in this area. Probably gonna try some food in a little bit, not right now. We literally just ate breakfast. We could eat at the Frogos if we wanted. But there's a little bit of everything everywhere down here, shopping wise. Look how pretty that is. I don't really know what there is to do besides that, but we're gonna hang out on the boat for a while. We might end up going and looking at something else. I don't know. We'll find out. So we're leaving now. We just left Unique Arts and Crafts. I have got 2 pineapples that are gonna hang up in the house. Amanda got, who'd you get?
The Woman of Hospitality.
It's super cute. It's already wrapped up, so you can't see that right now. I can show you the pineapples when I get back though. Super cool. He carves them right there in the store. I'll show you that as well once we get back to pick up the other ones.
You can request anything right on the spot. He will make it for you and price it for you right there.
Yeah, any type of fish, any type of turtles, any type of anything really. He says he'll be able to do it. So that'll be really cool.
I gotta watch it. Get in a lot of trouble there at that spot.
I feel like I could buy everything there. It's wonderful. And it smells amazing right in his little store. Alright, so now we're going to continue on. We're going to look around a little bit more and then get back on the boat and have some fun. We're going to kind of just take a look around and see what we can find. It's a nice little port. There's the boat. I'm glad we docked right outside of this little area though. It makes it perfect. It's absolutely beautiful here. Like I said, super windy today, but it's still pretty warm, so it's okay. Here's the little mat they have set up here. Like I said, not very big. I think it's just a repeat over here as well. So this is kind of it. Like I said, not very big, but it's a nice little area. They do have scooter rentals as well. You can rent a car. You guys can take a tour, head out into the city. We're not planning on doing anything like that today. We may find our way, walk down to the beach a little bit at some point. But like I said, we're just gonna hang out on the boat really for the majority of the day today. So I'm excited. I'm gonna try the rock wall today. And then I may or may not do like the trampoline today as well. So we're gonna head out to deck 4 now. I'm gonna sign the waiver for me to do the rock wall, and I'm probably gonna do the bungee jumping. Sounds fun for her, and I'm gonna talk to them about an excursion for tomorrow. Yeah, sounds good. See you guys there. We're told to come up to 11 to sign the waiver. That is a wrong statement. We are in the Diamond Club right now, just temporarily waiting for the elevator to come so we can go back downstairs.
Why?
That one wasn't working right. Might as well take a look out though. So
it's not coming anyway.
Let me know when it comes back. Here's the viewpoint from up here. There's some more ships over there. Here's the island over here as well. Is that it? Here's the little area that we walked through just earlier today. Here's part of the ocean. It is super rough today. You can see way over there, you probably can't tell that much. The waves are huge coming in. Here is Freeport. Absolutely beautiful. I can't get over how blue the water is. And it's just wonderful. It's this blue as far out as what you can see. So a lot of people are off of the boat right now. There's not a lot of people on the boat. But I don't know where they all went. Because there's really not much to do at all here. I did see a sign hanging somewhere of a tour. You can go swim with pigs on a beach, but somebody is afraid of pigs. Just saying. Heading in now. Going to get something to eat at the Windjammer. What are we getting right now? Second breakfast. Second breakfast. Second breakfast. Second breakfast. Let's go see what they got up here. We haven't been here for breakfast yet because they all want to eat every day in the dining room, which is fine because it's delicious. But now we're going to check out and see what there is. Looks like they're starting to put out some of the lunch stuff now though. Oh, it looks like a fine mixture of things right now. No second breakfast. We're in the middle of a turnover right now. Alright, excuse me. Got some pasta, some green beans, a cucumber salad, ooh, blue cheese sauce, some noodles, red pasta sauce, baked pasta, asparagus soup. We have the bread section. We've got mashed potatoes, tilapia, turkey parmesan. Of course, the fruit. They're changing out to get rid of the breakfast food now. So here we are. We are so excited. It is Harry Potter trivia. Oh yeah. And we want to win. You win a highlighter. I really want to win. I'm just saying, that time it changed. What the heck? We climbed on that elevator 3 times. The doors closed, the number changed, and I still came out on the same floor. That ain't right. That's where I messed up. And we ain't like it. I don't know, maybe just camera when it's sideways. Who knows? Anyway, so we ate dinner. It was delicious. Now we're heading. We're gonna go see the karaoke. After we see this for a little bit, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. But the comedy show is tonight, and we're super excited about that. It doesn't start till 11:30 though. Hey, so I was so excited. I came in today, and I've been wanting one of these, and it's here. This is the animal we found today. An elephant. This is what I've been wanting. I'm so excited. I love that every day we've got a new animal. It's so nice. I'm so excited. And it's so freaking cute. I can't wait till Trisha sees him. She's gonna love him too. Here's day number 4, the cruise compass. So I'll take a look at that later on. Right now, we're getting ready to head up. We are going to be going to the comedy show, which I saw the family comedy show the other day, and it was hilarious. So now we have the adult comedy show, and it looks wonderful as well. I'm super excited for it too. Oh, so these are the pineapples I got the other day, by the way. Just now thought about them, and here they are. You can't really see them. Let me find the light and turn that on. Bright light. So here's the pineapples, the wood pineapples that I got. They look wonderful. So I had one larger and one smaller. And this is what they look like. They are beautiful, and I can't wait to take them home with me. They're gonna look great in my living room. I'm super excited about those. They were definitely a great buy. But other than that, I'm going to be heading up, like I said, for the comedy show, and then kind of go from there. After that, we'll probably end up going to bed. We're going to be in Key West early tomorrow. We did one of the excursions for the hop on, hop off, and it'll be cool.